Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to reset the air condition filter light that pops up once you have replaced the air filter. You can see up there it says change air filter. I already changed that on there. So all you want to do is, you got the off button right over here. If you press and just hold that down, system check, and there you have it. So actually what you're gonna have to do is hit the off button, turn off the car, then click it twice to get the power going, and it just resets it for you, and then the light's all gone. Go ahead, start it up, final check. And there you go. No display lights, no yield sign, all set.